If you're looking to keep an eye on your iPhone's battery life and any connected devices like your AirPods or Apple Watch, adding a battery widget to your home screen is a super handy option. It's really simple to set up. Once it's there, you'll always know exactly where your battery's at. Let's walk through how to do it. First, head to your home screen. Next, press and hold any empty spot on the screen until your app starts wiggling. Then, tap on the small edit icon at the top. After that, select the Add Widget option. Now, scroll down the list of widgets until you find batteries. Then, tap on batteries to open up the widget options. Next, pick the batteries widget and swipe through the different sizes available. You can choose from small widget, gives you a simple battery percentage for your device. Medium widget displays the battery percentage for both your iPhone and any connected devices like AirPods or your Apple Watch. Large widget shows even more detailed info, including the battery life of all connected devices. After that, tap Add Widget once you've decided on the size you want. Then, move the widget to your preferred spot on the home screen by dragging it around. Now, when you're happy with where it's placed, tap Done in the top right corner to save everything. And that's it. You've now added the battery widget to your iPhone's home screen, giving you quick access to your battery percentage and info on your connected devices. Hope this helps. If you have any other iPhone customization questions or need more help, feel free to drop a comment below.